on Twitter, there has been an uproar on whether women should forfeit their surnames.
Now that you're mentioning this thing, it's crazy because Nigerians, we are always fond of picking up habits from other people.
Of course.
Like, I bet that anybody bearing Mrs. this or Mrs. that now does not know why they have to change their names to their husband's name after marriage.
The girl said, I am never changing my surname because of marriage. I can consider compound name, but removing my identity. An absolute no. If you want a woman to take up your name, give birth to one.
I bet she's a Gen Z.
A woman that loves you would start addressing herself by your surname even before you marry her. And she will be looking to make it official. For you now, do you think that this thing is love or ownership?
First of all, how did this whole concept of changing your name from your father's name to your husband's name after marriage came about? Some people don't know. So the whole concept of changing name is something called coverture. And you know, if when a woman gets married to her husband, something called legal identity. Her legal identity is now changed to that of her husband. So it's now like moving power and ownership or authority from her father to her husband. So this thing is an entirely different. It has nothing to do with African culture or anything like that. If a woman is getting married today and decides to save her father's name for whatever reason it is, it does not have to be by force. Now that is the point here. So it should solely be on the place of choice. Anything that works for you, basically. That's what it should be.
So it should not be forced on women.
It should not be forced on women, please.
Would your family see it as disrespect if you refuse to take your husband's surname?
Please, the family will be fine.
The family will be fine. Obviously, they will be fine.
But at the end of the day, people will be fine.
Yes, I'm very sure my mother would throw a tantrum. I'm a Nigerian mother. She will. Now, over to you, my audience. What do you think? Should love require changing identity, or should people do what works for them?